Hello, dancers. I'm Dylan Waters, and we're going to learn a salsa combination. I'm here with Emily. Let's get started.
But since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while, and I with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Oh, lost in the words that we scream. I don't even wanna do this anymore. 'Cause you already know what you mean to me, and I love's the only word worth fighting for.
All right, we are going to start with three salsa basic. Going that way, bring it back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And a 2, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And a 3, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Now we're gonna start the salsa basic with the 1, 2, 3. Followers are gonna step front, but us leaders we're gonna step to the side. This is to show you that in salsa, as long as you keep the timing, there's no way you'll step on each other. Ready? And now 5, 6, 7. Great. Now we're gonna do three salsa basics side to side. For the first one, let's look at the camera, and then for the other two, we'll look at each other. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And a 2, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And a 3, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Good job. We're going to do one more to the side. 1, 2, 3. And for the 5, 6, 7, I'm going to let go of Emily's hand so that I can turn her 5, 6, 7. Any questions? All right, let's continue. The next step, it's called a cross-body lead, but you might also know it as a dile que no, as in tell them no. Pretend that your partner's about to kiss you, and you want to be polite and tell them no. So you go 1, 2, 3, dile que no. 1, 2, 3, no, thank you. Amazing. For this next part, we're gonna slow it down. So we're gonna go half timing because things are gonna get pretty fast. We're both gonna step to the back. Emily with her right foot, and I'll step with my left foot. So we go 1, 2, 3. We wrap around. Maybe look at your partner. Hello, how you doing? And then for the 5, 6, 7, we're gonna unwrap. 5, 6, 7. Great. That's a wraparound. We've seen it in bachata. Check the video. Then we're gonna do a turn with both hands. Ready? So we go 1, 2, 3, and reverse it. 5, 6, 7. Doing great. Then the leaders, we're gonna turn. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then we spin our followers. 5, 6, 7. We're gonna do a basic, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And the next step, it's called a 70. 1, 2, 3. You're both side to side, and then reverse it. 5, 6, 7. Great. Another basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I switch hands, and then we're gonna do a mountain. So you go around 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice how my partner is hiding behind me. Hey. And we're all gonna step towards the right. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're gonna move into a sombrero or a hat. So we unravel on the 1, 2, 3, and then we make the hat on the 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. From here we're gonna do a basic. So we 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and then we unravel 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do a body roll to help us unravel the hands. 5, 6, 7. Nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we put out videos every single week and we would love for you to watch them all. That's it for today. Goodbye. We're both gonna step to the back. Emily with her right hand, right foot, right? We're both gonna step to the back. Emily with her left foot and me with my left